Tired of a cluttered kitchen? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 pressure cooker is here to revolutionize your cooking and simplify your life. This incredible kitchen powerhouse combines 9 appliances into one: pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, food warmer, yogurt maker, cake baker, and sterilizer. Imagine making quick, delicious meals like never before, freeing up counter space and precious time. With 15 customizable smart programs, you can easily cook everything from perfect poultry and hearty stews to delicate yogurts and delicious desserts with just a touch. It truly takes the guesswork out of meal prep, making gourmet results accessible to even beginner cooks. The durable, food-grade stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy, safe cooking and is incredibly easy to clean, unlike those non-stick alternatives. What truly sets the Instant Pot Duo Plus apart is its advanced safety features and smart design, offering unparalleled versatility and peace of mind in your kitchen. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen or find the best kitchen gadget of 2025, this is definitely it. Check out the Amazon link below to grab yours. Thousands of happy customers agree this Instant Pot is an essential kitchen appliance, perfect for busy families and anyone wanting to eat healthier at home. Don't wait to transform your cooking experience. The Instant Pot Duo Plus is a smart investment that you'll use every single day.